Let's get over to Phil LeBeau. He caught up with the CEO of the company earlier this morning. Phil.
David, those shares are moving a little bit lower. The conference call with analysts has just begun. We were listening to the beginning of it. Ed Bastian saying the same thing he told us on Squawk Box this morning. Look, you can look at the Q1 results, and as we show them to you, yes, it is a miss. 25 cents earned versus the street expecting 30 cents. Revenue lighter than expected. But Ed Bastian said flat out, look, I don't consider this a miss. We guided the analyst that capacity would be slightly impacted due to storms in the first quarter. We told them that a month ago. And if they didn't change their estimates, so be it. But their feeling is those fewer flights because of the cancellations, that's behind the 25 cents versus the 30 cents. Instead, his focus, and what a lot of people are asking questions about today, the Q2 guidance. It is well above what analysts' expectations are, coming in at $2 to $2.25. The street, you see, is at $1.66. Revenue 15 to 17% higher compared to a year ago. The street 14.7%. And record advanced bookings for the summer. Here's Bastian during Squawk Box talking about just how strong the consumer is right now in his opinion.
The consumer is they're prioritizing spend. So they're shifting out of certain markets. They're shifting out of goods. They're moving into the service world. And by the way, they're moving into the experience world. And the premium experience is the sweet spot for where the spending is going. And that's Delta's bread and butter.
As you take a look at the other airline stocks and how they're moving today, keep in mind that what we're seeing at the beginning of the airline earnings is Q1. It was supposed to be really strong, and generally speaking, it was strong relative to what it usually is, but it's Q2 and Q3, guys. That's what's in focus, and in particular, the bookings, the advanced bookings, and the strength of the consumer. And if you listen to Ed Bastian this morning on Squawk Box, I've talked to him for a number of years. I've not seen him this bullish or this optimistic about the consumer and the state of the consumer. So it'll be interesting to see what we hear from the other airlines. Remember, we start hearing from them next week with United as well as Alaska, and then you get American and Southwest the week after. Let's see how their feelings are about summer bookings compare with what we heard from Delta this morning.
Stuff this morning, Phil. A great interview with Bastian on Squawk. That's our Phil LeBeau.